Shopware 6 release news. These were the new features in November 2023. By the way, in this review, we look at all the highlights that were released this month, including updates that took place for Shopware Cloud. For each new feature, you will therefore find an indication of which delivery form it relates to, self-hosted and/or cloud. We hope you have fun and gain valuable insights in the respective sections and in the release video. Starting with our general updates, I've got one topic here which I want to explain. And this is our data collection, so the backend data from Shopware entities. We rolled out the first milestone of data collection and started collecting backend data from Shopware entities on November 20th. And a good base to summarize the whole project is the following. We collect data from all merchants that give their consent via the consent banner that is displayed in the Shopware 6 dashboard. This is here. So without consent, no data will be collected. And this is 100% GDPR compliant since we don't collect personal data which can be used by or to identify an individual. Also merchants can revoke their consent at any time. And this data includes crucial information such as product details, orders, and promotional data. So essentially, any data that is stored statically in the database. This data is crucial to understand how Shopware is used and can build features based on the data like the planned analytics and reporting service. This release is for on-prem only at this point because SaaS is excluded from the release of backend data collection due to legal compliance that we couldn't solve yet. So this will be addressed in future releases. Coming to our dev news, we just released Shopware 6.5.7.0 and 6.5.7.2 with a lot of improvements like maintenance mode, support in Store API, refactoring of media path, and a lot of more things. You can check out the things in our release news blog and in the dev docs. There is one known issue that the Shopware kernel cannot be booted in app-env test. We are working on a patch update which will be soon as possible released. Now, the commercial features and service news. This is about features that are not included in the commercial edition. So take a look at our overview to compare the different Shopware plans and activate the Shopware commercial extension to use the commercial features. The first new commercial feature is our new AI Copilot Search by Context feature. The Search by Context offers you a magic search option in the storefront that allows shoppers to search for products by simply specifying the context, their search intent in natural language. It is therefore the first AI Copilot feature targeting the shopper side. Please note that this feature is already available for both variants, so Shopware Cloud and self-hosted. The next feature is our B2B quote management. Customized quotes for your business partners in B2B e-commerce, customized price agreements and quotes are often crucial for business success. With our new B2B quote management feature, we will fulfill precisely these flexibility requirements. Here's how it works. Your customers can create a shopping cart and request a customized quote for it. As soon as you receive such a request, you will receive an email notification. The administration also gives you a clear overview of all quote requests and their current status. Here you can call up and edit each quote, set individual prices per item, or grant a total discount with an absolute or percentage value. Once the quote is complete, you can send it directly to the corporate customer. You can also create quotes proactively and send them to the customer without prior inquiry. For corporate customers, the process is just as simple. They are notified of quotes received and can view them in their profile in the storefront. There they can decide whether to accept or reject the offer. If they accept, the items are transferred directly to an order with the agreed prices and discounts. Please note, this feature was already released for Shopware Cloud last month and is now also available for self-hosted. Last but not least, we've got the new advanced search boosting feature. With this version of advanced search, we are bringing the boosting and action feature back to advanced search, even with new UI UX adjustments. The advanced search is still behind the feature flag and must be activated. The whole thing is described in the dev documentation, so just click on the link from the product news blog. In terms of functionality, nothing has changed apart from UX improvements. The main message is that our new advanced search now has the same feature set as before, and customers using the advanced search can update to the latest 6.5 version. This feature went live with the 6.5.7.0 version. At the end, we extend our heartfelt thanks to all GitHub contributors for their pull requests that have been incorporated into this version. So thank you all and see you next time.